Alright, so the next part of the build is going to be the legs and feet of the Phenex Gundam narrative version. And before we start, I just gotta give you a little heads up here. I accidentally made the wrong... I made one leg, but I did the wrong side. I made one side, which should have been on the other side. So this has already been pre-assembled, as you can see here. So, I'm sorry about that. Another thing is... I try to be careful with my parts and all that stuff, and put them to the side, and for whatever dumb, strange, and ridiculous reason, I'm missing a part. And that's... At first I was missing this, which I finally found. I tore my room apart, but one part that I'm missing is the part that goes in front of the foot. And I will show you that during the course of this assembly. So let's begin. First we're going to use this to put that here. Like so. Then we take this, and you got to position it right so that hole is exposed and it's in that area. And we got this one going through here. And, well, it's not going through all the way, but you know what? I'm not gonna sweat that. Now, the part that I was referring to is this that goes here, and I was like, damn, how the hell did I lose that? But then again, these are clear parts. It may be right in front of my face, and I don't see it, and I end up finding it at the last moment. So let's just barrel on through, and maybe it'll turn up. We have this one here that goes here, and then this one that goes here. That goes back there. So that completes this foot. I've already pre-assembled this part. This was 2 parts plus the poly cap. And then with this one, you want to keep it in this position. This one goes here, like so. There's a little round cap here that goes in here. Come on. Yeah, look at this right. Right angle. That's a little scrunchy. I think it's this way. Yeah, that should be fine. Let me put these two together like so. Alright, so these are done. I'll take these parts, put that there, put that there. Alright, so this is done also. This was it's required, so we take this. Trying to see the orientation here. That goes like that. Like this. That goes here. And then we have again. This is a pain in the ass to look at the slots. That goes there. And that goes there. Alright, so with that assembled, take this, put that here, and then put this like so. Then close it up. Like so. So. There we go. I lost a lot of parts here because I'm now starting to see other parts that I don't have. How the hell did I lose these? Alright, so we have this, that goes there. And that goes back here. This goes here. And that one goes there. This is missing this part here. Not to mention this. But I think, hang on a second. Now I'm just second guessing myself here because I thought maybe, because there are so many parts that I cut. Oh yeah, here they are. I'm like saying to myself, wait, where are they? They're right here all this time. I'm also double checking the trays. I don't throw away my trays until I am completely and utterly done. Yeah, I think I know, hopefully I find that. This one I'm glad that this one's here because this one requires this little part that goes, connects to this. Wait, yeah, there we go. Connects to this. And then this connects to this. That one had to go to the other foot. And then this one goes there. That one goes here. And then this one is the right, this is the right foot. There we go. There we go. The both left and right leg are somewhat complete. Let me put this one on. There we go. Yeah, sorry about that. I think I know where this is. I just gotta look for it. But now I can't find this. But then again, you can barely see it, barely notice it. But it is noticeable by anybody else. I hate when I lose parts. Alright, let's now move on to the next part of the build. Okay, so the next part of the build is going to be the waist unit of the Unicorn. And before we proceed, I just want to give you a heads up. I found the part. Prime 92 told me to look under my butt. Why is it always there? Alright, so we're going to begin with this. I'm going to put this part here. And then this one, oops, here. Get in there, thank you. Then we have these two parts. One goes there, and the other goes here. And then we'll come around here and we'll put this. I want to say put this in like so, but before I do, I'm going to double check a few things. Okay, yeah. Oh wait, there's another polycap, number 2. There we go. And that goes right up here, up the butthole. There we go. So that completes that. Then we have this part that goes there. I believe that goes there or goes the other way. Yeah, it goes like that. And then we have these covers. One goes there. And the other one goes here. So it looks like that. Then the front part crotch. Believe that one goes like that. Then this one goes here. Huh. There we go. Now the front skirt armor, we have the color part, the cycle frame parts. Oh, no, the other way around. That one goes like this. The other one goes like that. And then we have this one goes there. That one goes there. Then this one, you have to put it like this here, and then that connects to this. Or not. Well, it does, just you gotta get it in the right positioning. There we go. And then we just put that there. There we go. And then we have the two side skirt parts. That goes there, followed by this part. Whoops. That one goes there. This one goes here. There we go. I think the last part here is the, oops, the waist part. The, well, this is the waist, but the part that connects the waist to the torso, and we have these clear parts here that goes like that. There we go. That's pretty nice. Alright, let's now move on to the next part of the build. So the last part of the build happens to be the backpack, which is basically those massive shields, which was the armored arms. And now, we've seen the armored arms before on the Banshee, both in Master Grade, High Grade, and SD. And this is, of course, the High Grade version, but in clear. But the difference between this is it has the unique pigtail whip type things that we see in the anime. And what we're going to do is I'm going to take these parts here, and I'm not fond of this, but there we go. You clip them on as you could hear them. You want to make sure you select the ones that are in the curvature angle, like so. And then this one is standard, so it doesn't matter where to put it on, but as long as you hit a click. I think I heard the click. No, I did not. There we go. Let's try the other side. Hold on. There we go. I'm not going to move this around, but this is how it looks. Which now, kind of wondering how the Master Grade version of this is going to be like. And this reminds me of the whip that was on the Epion. Was it the Epion? Yeah, the Epion, and how I didn't like how it was, but then again, you know, it is what it is. So I'm going to take this part here, flip it around, put it like this. So it goes in there. Then you have this poly cap and put it right there. Like so. Alright, so with that done, take these, and these are the shield frame from the smaller shield. You get actually, I believe, 3 of these, maybe 3 or 4. I don't know. I'm also going to mention the fact that I'm not going to use the shield, the other shield, the smaller one, for this kit. And I'm not going to use the beam magnum. I'm actually going to take that weapon and use it on another kit for a custom build that I just thought of recently, and I'll share it with you guys soon down the road. I think there's a part here or something that's blocking it because I'm not getting it through. There we go. There we go. So that's good. Now, we take this, put it like that, make sure this is like this, put it in there. Then we take this, bring it around, and close it up like so. So it looks like that. Now going back to this side, make sure this one goes like that. Make sure this, on this part, there's a curvature here. So make sure it's curved like that. And then take this clear part. There's a hole there, like a gap hole. Make sure it's facing... I want to make sure this is actually right. Hold on. Come on, get out. Thank you. Like that. Okay. I think I got it right. Alright. Stick it in there. And then there's holes there, so you want to close it up like this. You have some covers here. One goes there. One goes here. And we have these parts, which, nope, that doesn't go like that. Actually goes the opposite direction for this one. So that goes in there. That goes there. And then we put them here like so. So that completes the two shields, as you can see here. And then we have this part that puts these two together, but we'll put them on in a moment. So that is pretty much the two armored arms. I'm not going to build the beam rifle or the other shield. That's going to be for another kit. So with that being said, let's do final assembly of the high grade Phenex.